we have some great news for our time and billing users. The time and billing product is here to stay under the new name LawBillity, and billing going forward will be handled by us at eBillity instead of Thomson Reuters, which means for you guys, no annual signed contracts going forward. You'll have the option to bill with us either annually for a 20% discount or monthly going forward. And this new LawBillity product will look and feel exactly the same as your time and billing, so you'll be completely comfortable. Exactly the same system with the addition of two new exciting features. One is an unlimited data storage document management system, and another is a new calendar feature that offers a two-way sync with Outlook, the ability to create time entries through the calendar, and coming soon, a new Google Calendar integration that'll integrate directly with the eBillity calendar as well. So you should start seeing this message pop up that says transition from time and billing to LawBillity. And it's going to let you know that as of September 30th, Thomson Reuters will no longer be providing the time and billing service, but you can continue getting it directly through us at eBillity. So in order to continue using our product before September 30th, you'll need to enter payment info for the new LawBillity product and make sure to call up Thomson Reuters to cancel your contract with them to prevent double billing. So your product will be exactly the same, just the billing will be through us, and you'll have some additional upgrades. So when you're ready, you can enter payment info, or if you're not ready to pay at this very moment, you can close, and the next time you log in, this message will reappear until September 30th, in which case the product will be sunset. So I'll walk you through the process. Simply enter payment info. Right now I'm on annual billing, but you can always reconfigure your subscription to monthly if you'd like. Annual billing will give you a 20% discount. When you're ready to make the payment, select I understand the pricing above and click enter payment info. Here you can enter your credit or debit card or ACH and enter your credit card. And once you're done with this, you'll be brought over to the next screen. And once you have finished entering your credit card info, you should receive a success message letting you know that your account has been activated. So some important things to note. Your history and data will all be intact and migrated overnight to LawBillity. So your new account will be ready to use tomorrow. Your mobile app, if you do use the time and billing mobile app, you'll need to get the new LawBillity mobile app, which should look and feel exactly the same as time and billing, but it will be a different app. So please make sure to get the LawBillity app on iPhone or Android. And extremely important is to avoid double billing. Like I mentioned earlier, you'll need to contact Thomson Reuters and inform them to halt billing through their platform. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team by clicking on the help icon. And once you're all done with all of this, you can head back to time and billing, and your data will be migrated tomorrow, and you should be good to go with your new LawBillity product. And we hope you enjoy the new exciting features and the now lack of signed annual contracts going forward.